So for us to set up a failover mechanism on our OS commerce nodes, we need to do a couple things. So the first one is to set up our zones. We're gonna do that by going into networking, DNS zone management, and we're gonna create a new zone. And we have two options here. Is either you put in the information manually, or you import the master file, which is what I'm gonna do here. Select the file, you attach it, and you click submit. So when that is done, as you can see here, we have our zone here now in our cloud infrastructure. So the next step you want to take is to copy the name servers and go configure it with your domain registrar. So the next step here is to go create a traffic management steering policy. So we're going to create a traffic management steering policy. So we have many options here, but what we're trying to do here is a failover. So we're going to click failover. We're going to have a policy name, the answer pool. So this is where you put in the IP address of what you want your domain query to return, right? So the first pool, which is going to be answer pool number 1, you pull your secondary IP address, public IP address in here. So the first one is, let's say, node 1. That's the primary. Server name. And the type, I choose a record. And for the out data, you need to put a public IP address. And for the answer pool, number 2, so you configure the secondary node as your answer pool 2. So when that is done, you need to set the pool's priority. So as we just configured, I would have the primary IP address right here as a priority 1, and this as priority 2. And the L, let me set this up a new one. And so what you want to do is attach and create a policy. So once this is done, this is going to show up, and as you can see here, both of our compute nodes are up and healthy. So this is good. So what you need to do next, your domain name has been attached. So this completes the setup.